Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw in my previous video of a box opening for a Xpower2500, fortunately that winch does not fit the Sportsman 850. It does not fit the bracket that you need, so had to return that. I did obviously post that video, updates on that video showing that it would not fit, and wasn't gonna proceed with that. So picked up a Badland winch from Harbor Freight. I know. Hopefully, holds up. Want to show you guys. I had a 20% off coupon and was able to get it for $111. So about the same price as the Xpower. Like I said, I think I got it for 110 or 120 possibly, so a little less if it was 120. So we're gonna do a box opening of this Badland. You guys have seen them. I don't know if anything's been updated on this. So this is the most current model. This is looks like a manufacturer date of 2/26. So it was the newest one on their shelf. So let's take a look here. So real quick, go back to the front here. It's a 3500, so it is a little bit bigger than the one I have. Includes a shackle, permanent magnet motor, single stage, automatic hold. Comes with a wired remote, as well as your handlebar control. Right on top, got your owner's manual. This is the Badland ZXR3500. That says UTV, and on the front it says ATV. So imagine that's your actual winch. It's pretty good. It does have the steel cable again instead of the synthetic rope. And here is all of your wiring. There's your wired remote, rocker switch in and out. That is your connection for your wire, which I believe you can run and mount that somewhere on your ATV, so you can use your wired remote. There is your red cable. Already has your connection points. And then here is your handlebar mount for in and out. Looks pretty decent. We'll see how that looks when it's mounted. Your black blue, blue, and yellow wires. They do give you your winch plate if you have a UTV or any other ATV that this would work on. Unfortunately, Polaris, you do have to have a special mounting plate, so keep that in mind for you Polaris guys. All of your hardware. Those rubber boots for your connections so they do not touch. Does come with a shackle. All your relays, breakers, stuff like that. It's color coordinated on top. Should be very, very simple install. Obviously the hook. And then here's the part the hook connects to it. Easy grab. And then your fairlead, which from videos I've seen, I am probably going to have to wallow out that hole in order for it to fit the bracket. So that's the box opening of the Badland ZXR3500. And again, I got this with a 20% coupon. It was $111.99, so 112 bucks. Not a bad deal if you ask me. So we will install this on the old 2021, and we'll go from there. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.